Before starting the library orientation, I would like to pray to the Library and Information Science Dr. S.R. Ranganathan for his contribution to Library and Information Science and for his 5 laws of library science.
आहे बरोबर चालू केले.
आपल्या महाविद्यालयाचे इन्चार्ज प्रिन्सिपल प्राध्यापक R.L. कटके सर यांना विनंती करतो की त्यांनी डॉक्टर S.R. रंगनाथन यांच्या फोटोला पुष्प अर्पण करून लायब्ररी ओरिएंटेशन विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी जो यूट्यूब उपक्रम आपण हाती घेतलेला आहे त्यासाठी सरांनी 2 शब्द बोलून शुभेच्छा द्यायला याची आपणास विनंती करतो.
कोविडच्या परिस्थितीमध्ये जे ऑनलाईन प्रक्रियेमध्ये आपण सर्व शैक्षणिक प्रक्रिया 2020-21 मध्ये राबवत आहोत. काही मर्यादा आपल्याला पडलेल्या आहेत आणि म्हणून या ऑनलाईन पद्धतीमध्ये जे वेबिनार ओपन ज्ञानपीठ कर्जत कला विज्ञान व वाणिज्य महाविद्यालयाच्या वतीने किंवा ग्रंथालयाच्या वतीने जो सुरू करणार आहात त्याला महाविद्यालयाच्या वतीने आम्ही शुभेच्छा देतो आणि आपल्या लायब्ररीच्या वतीने केला जाणारा उपक्रम यशस्वीरित्या संपन्न व्हावा असं मी नमूद केलं. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू. फक्त नंबर जे असेल ते चेंज करायचे
थोडा इकडं.
कारण आपले 60 संपले की परत नव्याने 1-2 सुरू होणार.
Konkan Gyanpith Karzat College of Arts, Science and Commerce College Library organize the library orientation for all students. Friends, nowadays the situation is COVID-19 and due to the coronavirus, all the teaching and learning process are going in the form of digital, just like e-books, e-journals and webinars, seminars. Organize the teaching and learning is in the form of digital, rules and regulation of government. Therefore, we organize this library orientation to the users that they can know the what kind of services which is given by our library in the form of a digital institutional repository, e-books, e-journals, about Enlist, which is organized by the InflibNet Information and Library Network. Such kind of all the services which is provided by our library, the users can know. Therefore, we organize this library orientation program. The motto of our library is the storehouse of knowledge and knowledge is power. This program is for students who would like to learn the basics of library usage. When is the library open? Library hours Monday to Saturday. Regular hours 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The lunch time of library staff is 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. except Sunday and other public holidays. Time for issuing of books 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Faculty and days are as follows. Arts faculty Monday and Thursday they can borrow the books from library. Commerce faculty Tuesday and Friday they can borrow the books from library. Science faculty and BSc IT faculty students they can borrow books from library Wednesday and Saturday. MSc, MCom and PhD students can borrow the books from library Monday to Saturday. Membership registration. How can become the member of library? The students, when they getting admission, they provided identity card from the office. They have to fill up all the whatever their fields are there, just like academic year, name of the student. They have to fill their address, their mobile number, in which class they are studying. They have to write here their date of birth, duly signed by the candidate, and there is a need of one passport size newly photograph. This is the back side of identity card. Librarian provides the number which is given here. This is the generated by our Soul software. The library card number has given by library staff. The students have to write their address here and submit the identity card in library. Then we make process and give to the students. This is the merit identity card. Those students who are in the first, second and third rank, they got the golden facility card called as merit list card. This facility, students can borrow the one book from a regular iCard and 2 books from this golden facility card. Therefore, such kind of golden facility card students can borrow total 3 books from the library. Such kind of facility is also available in our college library. Library rules for students. List of what you can do in the library. What must I do? Enter with identity card. Sign the visiting register which is kept just near the reading room, and you have to keep silence. Follow the library rules and regulations. Not damage of books, journals, e-resources, furniture of the library. Use of mobile phone is prohibited. Don't leave your valuables just like purse, mobile phones, laptop. Issued books on your library card that is responsible for your if any loss. You need to come to the library. You are studying in any faculty just like arts, science, commerce, BSc IT, MSc, MCom or PhD, then you are coming in the library to borrow the books, the reference books, the general books are there just like novels, etc. related to your discipline. Students can issue maximum 1 book from the counter for 1 week. Girl students can borrow 1 extra book from the girls account. Golden cards students can borrow 2 extra books from the library. Book bank scheme students can borrow 1 set of books for each semester. On premises, 2 books will be issued in the reading room, and they must have to submit the books issued to them at same day. Reservation of books are available on our library counter. With the help of Soul software, we reserve books which is issued to someone else. If any book issued not returned in time, then you have to pay fine. No due certificate will be issued after the filling of feedback form online and submitted online, and then we give no due certificate to that particular students. Chairman is the Library Advisory Committee in charge Principal Professor R.L. Katke. Secretary Librarian Dr. S.D. Gaikwad. Member of Arts Faculty Professor Dr. C.M. Gondli. Member of Commerce Faculty Associate Professor B.N. Dowre is there. From Science Faculty, Assistant Professor Atul Renge is there. From BSc IT Faculty, Miss Jayashree Bhande, and 3 students are the member of Library Advisory Committee. Book Bank Scheme. The Book Bank Scheme facility available under the Director of Students Welfare, University of Mumbai. This Book Bank Scheme facility is available for SC, ST, DT, NT students which is studying in our college. Around one set of books will be issued to them for reading at home. Remedial classes facility is also available for weak students. Book Bank Scheme Advisory Committee. There is also a Book Bank Scheme Advisory Committee is here. This is the Book Bank Scheme Advisory Committee, and these are the members which is looking the Book Bank Scheme Advisory Committee for smoothly run in our college. In charge Principal Professor R.L. Katke is the chairman of Book Bank Scheme Advisory Committee. Dr. S.D. Gaikwad, librarian, is the secretary. Professor B.N. Dowre is the convener of the Book Bank Scheme Committee. Assistant Professor Gadge Kisan is the member of Library Advisory Committee. Assistant Professor Ms. V.R. Bhange is the member of Library Advisory Committee of Book Bank Scheme. 2 students are the member of the Library Book Bank Scheme Advisory Committee. Library staff. This is our library staff. This is the team of our library staff. Dr. S.D. Gaikwad is the librarian of our college library. Sri Rakesh Kadu is the attendant of our library. Sri P.U. Rathod, library attendant. Sri Krutarth Pradhan, library attendant. Sri Vitthal Padir, library peon. This is the librarian Dr. Sadgurunath Gaikwad. Library attendant Sri Rakesh Kadu. Library attendant Sri Rathod PU. Library attendant Sri Krutarth Pradhan. Library peon Sri Vitthal Padir. Library resources. In our college library, There are 9,442 books are there. Reference books are available in library, that is 3,053. Periodical journals 38 we subscribed. Almost all subjects which is teaches in our college we subscribes the journals periodicals. Besides this, we subscribes the journals about competitive studies, just like competitive success periodicals, then chronicle, etc. Book bank scheme books are available, that is 5,030 books are available. Non-book materials just like CDs, DVDs, 331 books are available. Besides this, maps, globes, etc. are available in our college library. Newspapers we subscribe, 8 newspapers we subscribe. 3 of them are in English and 5 are there in Marathi language. That is Times of India, Indian Express, Economic Times. The Marathi newspapers are Lokmat, Lok Satta, Maharashtra Times, Raigad Times and Sakal. These are the newspapers we subscribe in our college library. Library resource arrangement. The arrangement in our library racks are available. In each rack we kept books by the 000 to 900. This is based on Dewey Decimal Classification system. This system is followed in our library. The 000 is Computer Science, Information and General Works books are available. 100 Philosophy and Psychology books are there. 200 that is Religion. 300 Social Sciences books are there. 400 Languages. 500 Science. 600 Technology. 700 Arts and Recreation. 800 Literature books are there, and 900 History, Geography and Biography books are located in the shelves. Library resource arrangement. Book bank scheme books. These numbers are collection numbers are given just like B1, B2, etc. Some Braille books are available for blind persons. That books are located just like L1, L2, L3, etc. Biographies are located 920 or 921 in the racks which is available in library. Reference books are available just like dictionaries, directories, yearbooks, encyclopedias. Almost all subject dictionaries are available in our library, just like English into Marathi, Marathi into English. Each subject just like economics dictionary, dictionary of science, such kind of all dictionaries are available. Besides this, means all the means Kosh, Vishwakosh is there, that also available in Marathi. Such kind of reference books is available in our library. The Vishwakosh CDs are also available to find any difficult words. These are the CDs and DVDs, which is the arrange is N1, N2, N3, etc. Such kind of DVDs and CDs are kept in our library. Magazines are available in our library, and the arrangement is 3 alphabet of each journals and collection number is given to each magazine. Donated books. Some people are donate books in our library and we kept that D1, D2, just like numbers are given, collection number are given, D1, D2, D3, etc. E-resources. Free e-books websites are available on our library website. You have to see all the video, then you can learn how to search e-books which is available in our library website. There are so many links of free e-books are there. There are links. Free e-journals list are available on our library website. You have to see the library website. We subscribe e-journals on Enlist, that is Information and Library Network. Please, you have to find this link on our library website. Institutional repository like current contents of journals, old question papers, new arrivals of books. For this, you have to find our library website. This all information is located in the library website. Competitive studies related e-books are also available. All the links which is given in our library website. Library services. We provide home lending service. We issue one book at a time for 7 days. If books are not written within 7 days, then fine of ₹1 for first 7 days, and after 7 days fine of ₹5 per day. Therefore, you have to return issued books in within time. Reading hall. We provide separate reading room facility for girls and boy students. Reference books are issued on premises to read in the reading room. Periodicals reference service. We subscribe almost all subject related periodicals and competitive related journals. All issues will be given to read in the reading room. Books reservation facility service is available on demand. Our sole software is there. We reserve books whatever issued to another person that require need will be satisfied with the help of book reservation system. Current awareness service. We display newly arrival books on display rack. Besides this, we display new arrivals of books on our library website. Current contents of journals are also available on our library website. This is the link which is given here. This is the link of our library website. You have to search the library website on your mobile, on your desktop, laptop, etc. Golden facility cards. This facility is also available to the merit list students who can borrow 2 extra books from our library on the golden facility card, and they can borrow any books anytime. Library Web OPAC. The library Web OPAC service is provided on your computer, laptop or Android mobile in the premises. This is our library Web OPAC. Link is there. You have to click this link on your mobile, then you can operate Web OPAC. That Web OPAC searches the books which is available in our library by the title, author, publisher, etc. That books which is available in our library or such kind of books is issued to anyone else, then you can get information on your mobile or laptop. This is our library web OPAC. This service is also provided in our library. This is the home page of library web OPAC. This is our library website link. Girl students can borrow 2 extra books from reading room to home. Girl students can borrow 2 extra books reading at home. This facility is also available. Newspaper clipping service. We cut the news related to NSS unit programs, then university news, university articles, etc. We kept in the digital form. Interlibrary loan service, which is provided by our parental library, just like Konkan Gyanpith Engineering College and Pharmacy College. We brought around 5 books and we kept in our library and issued to our users time to time. This is the called as interlibrary loan service. Book exhibition. We kept books exhibition on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Jayanti, and such kind of books are available in our library. We display on the occasion of such kind of special days. This is our library website link. This is the library website homepage. Nodules, e-nodules you can generate from this link. You can generate e-nodules from your mobile or your laptop or your desktop from your home. This service is provided. There is no need to come to college and ask for a Nodus certificate. You can generate the e-Nodus certificate from your mobile. This is the link. You have to fill up all the instructions which is given here, and then you can download the e-Nodus in your mobile, WhatsApp number or in your email. This is the QR code. You can scan this QR code and fill up the e-Nodus request, and then we can send e-Nodus on your email. You have to print that email Nodus and produce in the office, and you collect your mark sheet, anything, etc. Such kind of barcodes are pasted in the books for quick service to issue and return. Best practices. We practices best practice in our library, just like Happy Birthday Corner. We collect the books from those students and staffs, those who want to give the special birthday gift in the form of book. We kept in our library as a Happy Birthday Corner. Just like Happy Birthday Corner, we kept books and we give such kind of books to another peoples to read. This is also a best practice which is followed in our library. Those who want to donate the books on his or her birthday occasion, they can donate the books in our library. General information. Library opens at 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. The lunch time of library staff is 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Maintain low voice in the library. Take care of your material which is borrowed from library and the material of your own. Library is not a hallway. Please do not use it in between the classes. Check books while issue and return. Damage of pages or tear the pages. This is our library shelving. Such kind of books are kept in our library. These are the bond volumes which is kept in the library. These are the reference books, encyclopedias. Such kind of encyclopedias are available in our library in the reference section. Books arrangement. The books are arranged. The slips stickers are pasted at the bottom of each book. These are the sticker which is pasted, and in each sticker there is a class number, this is the book number, and this is the collection number. Therefore you have to search the books on WebOPAC and write the class number, book number and collection number on any blank slip, and you have to produce in the library staff. They can give you the book which is available on shelf. This is the technique for searching. Not you have to go to in the library in the physical form. You can search books on mobile and produce that number to the library staff. The library staff can help that books where is available in our library and issue to you as early as possible. This is the reference section. Reference books are kept in the library. This is our reading room. For separate reading room for girls and boys are available. These are the few rules. AC library.